What's up, everyone? It's Victory here again, and today I'm gonna tell you how to go from $200 to $3,000 trading on Pocket Option. I promise you that this video will be full of pretty critical moments, active trading, and interesting trades. So I highly recommend you to watch it till the end. And now I'll ask you to like this video and write in the comments below so you could help me to rank this video higher on YouTube search, and so that not only you but anyone could easily find this video on YouTube and get knowledge of it. And make sure to subscribe to get my new videos. In the description below this video there is a link to my Telegram channel, and you can ask me any question directly. I'll be very happy to help you and advise you on everything I know myself. And of course, I'll share with you the special link to sign up for Pocket Option and gift deposit. And also in Telegram, I'll share with you the link for my private Telegram channel where I share my best winning signals every day. So let's get started. There's a lot of interesting things ahead. Open Pocket Option and watch the chart. We see resistance points, support points. The price is in a downward movement, and we make a deal for $200 on price decrease. We watch the red candle. The price is already starting to fall, and a new red candle appears. And our trade closed at profit, and we have made $384. We make one more down trade for $384. Today I make trade for 30 seconds. We also watch the price drop, and there is not much time left to close our trade. Great, and our trade once again closed at profit. Now we have $737.28 in our account, and we make a new up trade for $737 as the price reached the support level and reversed. We see an active rising green candle, small fluctuations. We switch to 10 minutes. The price should go up after the reversal. Great, our trade again closed at profit. Let's make a new trade for $1,415. Pocket Option allows us to make a deal only for $1,000. No problem, let's make an up trade for $1,000 then. The price changed direction a bit. There are red candles, but immediately the red candle changes color to green. Great, our trade closed at profit again. Let's make one more trade for $2,000, but Pocket Option again allows us to make a deal only for $1,000. Okay, let's make a down trade, because when we reach the new resistance level, the price will reverse and start falling. We can see the red candles appear, and there is not much time left before we close our trade. Great, and we're on plus side again. So in total we made $3,255.32 into our account, and so in just 3 minutes from $200 we increased our budget by $3,000. Great result. Guys, the point here is even with a small budget you can earn a lot of money just trading on exchange market. Analyzing the chart and choosing the moment when to enter the trade, I look for price reversal points, resistance levels, and support levels of the price value. That is, when I make a 30-second trade, I just follow the price and I make an up trade and down trade depending on whether price is falling or rising. Always evaluate your emotional state when you're about to start a new trading session, and by all means do not give in to emotions and excitement. And it's very important to stay calm during your trading sessions, and of course be patient. At the same time, evaluate your financial capabilities and make trades at those moments when you are 100% ready. And of course, do not be afraid of anything, just gain experience, and when the next trading session will be much more successful than the previous one. In the description below this video there is a link to my Telegram channel, and you can ask me any question. I'll be very happy to answer and share with you anything that I know. Where in Telegram I'll also share with you the special link to sign up for pocket option and gift deposit, so it could be much more easier for you to start your own way in trading. I will also share with you the link to my private Telegram channel where I share the winning trading signals every day. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. If you like it, I'll be very grateful, appreciate it if you give it a like, and make sure to subscribe so you won't miss out on my future videos. That's all for today, and I wish you the successful trading sessions, and see you in the next one.